responsibility on facts, but also you should have listened to what I said. I did not say that the dryers have not come. I asked.
Ministry ya urimi guku bururi-ini yugite no gugukorwo na unyihu wa sukari guku bururi-ini gwa kahinda ka mwaka umwe ukite. Dumiriri irekereirio ni minista wa urimi guku bururi-ini mithika Linturi ari mbere ya kamiti ya mbunge ya urimi kurugite maundu ma mothe maumanite na kwongerereka gwa thogora wa sukari thiini wa thoko ya kimabururi na kurugite sukari no nyihete thiini wa mabururi ma komesa.
We may have this problem for the next 6-9 or so 1 year, but Chairman, you know, this is a journey that has started in sorting the problem that is there. We only ask for the leadership of the member of these particular areas where cane is being grown, so that they support us and be able to sensitize the farmers.
Prices of imported sugar from COMESA countries and non-COMESA countries which benefited from duty waiver, so that we can be able to correlate with the prices existing in the market at that point in time. Thank you.
Linturi ugite ati bururi wa Kenya ukoragwo na magetha ma tani 350 ma sukari na kuria bururi wa Kenya uhuthagira tani 960 guku bururi-ini oro mwaka, akiuga nigetha ithenya riu rikorwo rikihurio no nginyanagia bururi wa Kenya ukorwo kigura sukari kuma na nja wa bururi, na kuri ugite thirikari ya Kenya no irathie na mbere na gwikira mitaratara mikinyaniru niguo ukorwo kigura sukari kuma nja wa bururi na thogora uria wagiriire.
Metric tons, product 1 year, some here, somewhere. Yes. Now, if that is the case, then it means the deficit, if it is 790 or 670.
Kuringana na kamiti no yugite ati ruhonge rwa urimi na irio guku bururi-ini ni rugondereire wira-ini wao kuria mugite ni macenjetie murutire wao wa wira na gwitua onjoria, nake CS Mithika ndanatigwo na thutha akiuga ati ye ni gucagurire muikariri giti wa afa no indi nake akoretwo akiongerera utongoria na gwitua niwe murugamiriri munene rwa ruhonge rwa irio na urimi guku bururi-ini.
What is the role of the chairman on the importation of sugar?
Much rain, and we have seasons that other countries that we're importing from do not have. So we have these extension services. Take note of this. Let's look at this and revisit the issue. Those days when you were young and I was young, we had extension service officers in uniform.
Mamwe ma maundu maria kamiti no ya urimi yendire kumenya ni kunyihio kwa magoti kwa indo iria ikoretwo ikigurwo nja wa bururi na ni mitaratara iriku ikoretwo ikirumirirwo hari kwandikithia makambuni maria makoretwo makigura indo kuma nja wa bururi.
Want really to get justification on about this extension of the importation of sugar and rice in the Gazette notice issued this October.
Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV niĩ njĩtagwo Ng'endo wa Njogu.